I'll be using my basic skirt block to make this. I'll be dropping the link in the description section. And then I went ahead and drew my bust span divided by 2, and that is what this line is. So go ahead and draw the same line and cut this out. Next, I'm going to draw a line down from the dart leg. So go ahead and do the same thing, and I'm going to cut this and slash and spread it. My fabric unfold, I am going to slash this and spread this at the amount I want. So I'll be adding like 3 inches spreading. I'm going to go to the dart and close up the dart and open up the slash and spread. I'm going to trace out all the patterns. Add 3 inches to the hem of the seam to increase the circle skirt. Draw out the line visibly. You go ahead and do this same thing to the back. I cut this out because it's on fold. I'm going to have the full skirt block, the front panel. So on one side I'm going to do another slash and spread, and I'm going to spread this to the amount of the slash I wanted. After slashing and spreading this, go ahead and cut out 2 pieces because you have one is full and the other one is asymmetric. So go ahead and cut that on your fabric and make one side asymmetric and the other one full. So go ahead and do that to your fabric, and this is what you will get.